Hello and welcome to this video here. In this video we'll be solving past question papers based on sulfur chapter. So the first question you can see here. So sulfur is used to make sulfuric acid. In the UK the annual production of acid is about 2.5 million tons. The reaction in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process are shown below. So you can see here sulfur gives sulfur dioxide plus oxygen gives sulfur trioxide gives oleum plus water gives sulfuric acid. So this is a question here. Sub question here, give a large scale source of element sulfur. Give a large scale source of the element sulfur. So the answer you can write here. You can write USA, Texas, Poland, or apart from that you can also write petroleum, natural gas, metal sulfides, or volcanoes. So any of this one you can write, but be careful not to write coal or underground, otherwise you will lose your marks. The next question here is, state another use of sulfur dioxide. So one use already is to make sulfuric acid. Another use of sulfur dioxide you can write here in the preserving food as a bleaching agent. You can write as a sterilizing agent, disinfecting, making paper, bleaching wood pulp, making wine, jam, fumigation, making paper. So any one of the in this you can choose and write. Next, how is sulfur changed into sulfur dioxide? How is sulfur changed into sulfur dioxide? So you should write here, when sulfur is burnt or roasted in air or oxygen, you get sulfur dioxide. Sulfur is burnt or roasted in oxygen or air, gives sulfur dioxide. And third question here, next one. Name the catalyst used in reaction 2. So this is a reaction 2 here. The reaction 2 is SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. So what is the catalyst? Which catalyst we used here? The catalyst is nothing but vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide or platinum. So any one of the two you can write. Next question here. Reaction 2 is exothermic. Reaction 2 is exothermic. Why is the catalyst rather than a higher temperature used to increase the rate of this reversible reaction? So they are asking why they are using catalyst instead of increasing the temperature. So what will happen here? And this question is for 2 marks. This question is for 2 marks. So you have to write 2 points. So which are the points? Let's see here. Increased temperature will increase the rate of reaction but decrease the yield. This is the point 1. If you increase the temperature, the rate of reaction will increase but the yield will decrease. Second point regarding catalyst, you should write that catalyst does not influence the position of the equilibrium, or you can write catalyst only increases rate. Next, write a word equation for reaction 3. So what's the reaction 3 here? We'll see here. So the reaction 3 is SO3 will give H2SO7. So they are asking word equation. You should write the names of the chemicals. So which chemical is this here? SO3 is nothing but sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide plus sulfuric acid will give oleum. This is the word equation. SO3 is nothing but sulfur trioxide. You should write in the word form. Sulfur trioxide plus sulfuric acid gives oleum. Last question here. Write a symbol equation for reaction 4. So this one here. This is the fourth equation reaction. You need to write a symbol equation. So already half they are given here. This one and this species are there. Only thing you should write here water. In this word you can see there is water, right? So you should write here. So answer will be H2S2O7 plus H2O gives H2SO4. You can see here in the answer. H2SO7 plus H2O gives H2SO4. After writing the equation, you have to balance here. Just you can see the hydrogens are 2 here and here 2. So totally 4 hydrogens are there in the reactant side. So you have to write here 2. Coefficient 2. 2 2s are 4. So hydrogens are balanced, rest all of the elements are balanced. Let's quick. Question 2 here. About 1/3 of the production of this acid is used to make nitrogen and phosphorus containing fertilizer. Name the third element that is essential for the plant growth and is present in most of the fertilizer. So you should know that plants require 3 major elements: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, NPK. So potassium is missing here. You should write potassium here because nitrogen and phosphorus they are given. So the next question here is, name a nitrogen containing fertilizer that is manufactured from sulfuric acid. So answer is ammonium sulfate. So here you should know that ammonium ion, valency of ammonium ion is, I'll show you here, NH4 1 plus and sulfate is SO4 2 minus. When you do crisscross method, H4 and this coefficient, this 2 will come here. So put this in bracket and write SO4 as it is. This is ammonium sulfate. Okay. Next question. Let's see what's the next question. Okay. This you have to write the formula of these 2 ions. Okay, using these 2 ions. So what is it? Calcium and phosphate ions. Let's see. Calcium is 2 plus, phosphate is 3 minus. When you do a crisscross, you get Ca. This 3 comes here, 3 PO4. This comes here, right? So twice. So let's see the answer. Ca3 PO4 twice. Yes, Ca3 PO4 twice is the answer. Next one is a similar question. Ca 2 plus and H2 PO4 1 minus. So you will get the answer here by doing the same method as above. Ca is 2 plus, that 2 will come here, and this in the bracket H2 PO4 twice. Next, the ionic equation for the reaction between the phosphate ion and the sulfuric acid is shown below. So this is phosphate ions and sulfuric acid. So you get this compound. These ions are formed. Explain why phosphate ion is described as acting as a base in this reaction. So you need to know what is acid and what is base. So according to Bronsted-Lowry, acid is a substance which donates a proton. What is base then? Base is a substance which accepts a proton. So accepts a proton, accepts H plus. These 2 points you have to write here. Next question is, the main ore of zinc is zinc blende, that is ZnS. The ore is heated in the presence of air to form zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Write the equation for this reaction. So you should take ZnS, and in the presence of air is nothing but oxygen is nothing but O2. ZnS plus O2 gives sulfur dioxide is already given here, SO2, plus what will get here? You will get here ZnO. So this is the equation here. ZnS plus O2 gives ZnO plus SO2. Okay. So after writing this equation, you have to balance. You will get 2 marks. Next question. Give a major use of sulfur dioxide. This question is repeated as the previous slide. can write it is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid or in the bleaching, or you can use it in the food preservation or sterilizing. Any one point you can use. Let's see this question here. Name the reagent which will react with zinc oxide to form zinc sulfate. So you need to read this all now. Zinc can be obtained from zinc oxide in two processes. Aqueous zinc sulfate is made from zinc oxide and the solution is electrolyzed with the inert electrodes. The electrolysis is similar to that of copper sulfate with inert electrode. Name the reagent which will react with zinc oxide to form zinc sulfate. So obviously there is sulfate here. So which answer is sulfuric acid. The reagent is sulfuric acid because from oxide you got sulfate. It should be a sulfate reagent. That is sulfuric acid is the answer. Next question. How is sulfur dioxide formed? How is sulfur dioxide formed? So nothing but here by combustion of burning or combustion of fossil fuels containing sulfur. Okay, by burning or combustion of fossil fuels containing sulfur, like example coal, oil or natural gas. In this way you can make a sentence and write here. You will get 2 marks. Next question. These oxides are largely responsible for acid rain. State 2 harmful effects of acid rain. So because of acid rain, any 2 points you can write. Okay, the first point you can write as damage buildings. Then whichever you like here, there is soil acidification is there, leaching from soil is there, soil nutrients become unavailable, kill microbes, acidify lake. So you can write damage building and acidify lake, or kill fish, damage trees, reduction in plant growth, crop loss. Any 2 points you can write out of this, so many points. Okay, here question is zinc is extracted from zinc blende ZnS. Okay, zinc blende is heated in air to give zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Most of this sulfur dioxide is used to make sulfur trioxide. This is used to manufacture sulfuric acid. Some of the acid is used to make paint, but most of it is used to make fertilizer. So the question is, give another use of sulfur dioxide. You should not use sulfuric acid. You should, apart from sulfuric acid, you can give any other use. So you can write here like previous slide, bleaching for wood pulp, preservation, etc. Okay, but don't write sulfuric acid, already it is mentioned here. Next question is describe how sulfur dioxide is converted to sulfur trioxide. Describe how sulfur dioxide is converted into sulfur trioxide. So here you see here. So when sulfur dioxide is burnt in air or oxygen, as this question is for 3 marks, you have to elaborate it. So sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen or air at temperature 450 degrees Celsius in presence of catalyst vanadium pentoxide. Okay, if you want you can include pressure also, less than 10 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so first point here is, so three points are required here. Describe how sulfur dioxide is converted into sulfur trioxide. So sulfur dioxide, you should not write burn, it should write reacts. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen at temperature 450 degrees Celsius in presence of catalyst. The catalyst is vanadium pentoxide, and pressure less than 10 atmosphere. So if these conditions and these points are involved, you will get 3 marks. So name the fertilizer made from sulfuric acid. So this is a general question, they are not asking any nitrogen containing sulfur. This is a general question, so you can write anything here. You can write here ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potassium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. These all are fertilizers made using sulfur. Next question here. Complete the word equation. So calcium sulfate plus sulfuric acid gives calcium carbonate plus sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate. So in the limestone you saw na how acid rain, that is sulfuric acid, when it falls on any marble, it forms calcium sulfate. So you need to complete these two dash here blanks. So you know, whenever any carbonate reacts with acid, it gives carbon dioxide and water. So the answer will be carbon dioxide and water. Next question here. So you can see your answer if you want. Yeah, this one. Correct word equation, that is carbon dioxide and water, is accepted. Next one. Describe how you would test the water entering the cave to show that it contained sulfate ion. Means this is a test for sulfate ions. So you know the test for sulfate ion, that is you should take any barium chloride or barium nitrate which should be acidified. You can write acidified barium chloride or barium nitrate. It will give which color? It will give white PPT. The test is acidified acidified barium chloride or barium nitrate. In this line you should write, and in the result you should write white precipitate is formed. Next question. How would you show that the water entering the cave has high concentration of hydrogen ion? How would you show that the water entering the cave has high concentration of hydrogen ions? So you have to see the pH. If the pH is less than 3, if the pH is less than 7, it is acidic. Or you can do an universal indicator turns red. The universal indicator will turn red. That shows that water which is entering the cave is rich in hydrogen ions. Next question here. Okay. Hydrogen sulfide gas which was escaping from nearby petroleum deposit was being oxidized to sulfuric acid. Complete the word equation forming sulfuric acid. So they want sulfuric acid, they want to form sulfuric acid. So you should write here H2SO4 here in this blank. Now hydrogen sulfide formula they have given H2S. Okay, oxidized means O2, gives sulfuric acid means H2SO4. After writing this equation, that is H2S plus O2 gives H2SO4. Now this blank is to write the balancing here. This blank is balancing. So you need to balance the equation. So let's see here. H2S plus O2 gives H2SO4. But here how many oxygens are there here? 4. So this will be 4. You should write coefficient 2 here. In this blank you should write coefficient 2. Next, last question here. Explain why all the hydrogen sulfide should be removed from the petroleum before it is used as fuel. The answer is, see here, the answer is you should remove all the hydrogen sulfide before burning it because of unpleasant smell. Hydrogen sulfide because of unpleasant smell, or you can write because H2S is poisonous, or you can write when H2S is burnt forms acid rain, or it forms sulfur dioxide. Okay, and that sulfur dioxide in turn forms sulfuric acid. Okay, so in this way you should explain. You'll get 1 marks. Here the question is draw diagram to show the arrangement of valence electrons in one molecule of covalent compound hydrogen sulfide. So they are asking us to draw hydrogen sulfide. Okay, we should know that the formula of hydrogen sulfide. So you should know that H is 1 plus and S is 2 minus, sulfide is 2 minus. When you do crisscross you get H2S. So formula is H2S. Okay, I hope you understood this part here. Then you should also know that sulfur atomic number is 16. That means its electronic configuration will be 2 comma 8 comma 6. That means it has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, then hydrogen atomic number is 1. Okay, so I hope you understood this part here. Now let's see here. Okay, H2S. So in the formula you can see there are 2 H and 1 S. So keep S in the center and H here, 1 H here. Okay, now what they're asking you, use dot for sulfur. So as I told, sulfur has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep 1 here. Okay. Then X mark for hydrogen. H is equal to X. So each hydrogen has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Now you have to make them stable. You should know that hydrogen requires 2 electrons. Hydrogen requires 2 electrons to become stable. That is duplet configuration. In this way you have to draw the circle. Okay, so you can see both the hydrogens have become stable now. Now sulfur requires 8 electrons. So already it has 6 electrons and it will share its electrons with the hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, to form 8 electrons. Okay, so you can see in this way you should draw this structure. You will get 2 marks. Okay. Next question. So this is the next question here. Name the catalyst used in the reaction. So you know that's vanadium pentoxide. What is the temperature? 450 degrees Celsius. Describe how sulfur triacid is changed to sulfuric acid. So here you can write here, add concentrated sulfuric acid. Add concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, that will give you 1 marks. And then to the above add water. So these 2 steps you have to write here. How SO3 is turned to H2SO4. So first step is SO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 gives H2S2O7. To H2S2O7 you have to add water. You will get H2SO4 in the form of word you should write. The question here is the next question here is sulfur dioxide can kill bacteria and has a bleaching property. Give the use of sulfur dioxide that depends on each of these properties. Ability to kill bacteria. Ability to kill bacteria, that is nothing but it is used in preserve food. Okay. Bleaching property, that is used to make paper. Next question, sulfur trioxide can be made from sulfur dioxide. Why is this reaction important industrially? So this reaction is important industrially to make sulfuric acid. Next question, complete the word equation. So SO2, that is sulfur dioxide plus dash gives SO3. So obviously it is nothing but oxygen. We should write oxygen here. Next, what are the conditions for this reaction? So the condition for sulfuric acid is contact processes, requirement of catalyst. Which catalyst? Vanadium pentoxide. And temperature about 450 degrees Celsius. If you want you can mention pressure below 10 atmosphere, less than 10 atmosphere. Next question here, sulfur dioxide is easily oxidized in the presence of water. This is the equation here. What color change would be observed when an excess of aqueous sulfur dioxide is added to acidic solution of potassium permanganate? So this is a test for sulfur dioxide. So here purple to colorless or pink to colorless. The color changes from purple or pink to colorless. Okay. Next question here. To the aqueous sulfur dioxide, acidified barium chloride solution is added. The mixture remains clear. When bromine is added, a thick white precipitate forms. What is the white precipitate. Explain why it forms. So the answer here it is. So barium sulfate, that precipitate is nothing but, that white precipitate is nothing but barium sulfate. Here bromine oxidizes or it reacts with sulfur dioxide to form sulfate ions. So this, all these 3 points are required to get 3 marks